All right. Okay, so just a quick random live. It's been a while since I've done a live stream, and yeah, just wanted to kind of document yung some of the equipment upgrades of Cloud Studio. Oh, wait lang. Ayan. So I put together this parang scene for the live stream. Very quick lang. So we have this. So Logitech Brio yun. Then we have a GoPro on the side. So ito yung binibuild ko na setup for the event production. And then we also have a back camera. So mamaya kasi unbox natin ito. Okay. Yeah, as I was saying, it's been a while since I did a live stream, and ang dami nangyari for Cloud Studio. We have mounted a lot of events last year, and so of course I've kind of taken videos sa mga events and mga equipment upgrades, but I don't have the time to edit. And wala din akong time to really immerse myself in all of the equipment. So yeah, I'm learning as I go, tsaka nag-upgrade lang ako, and parang exploring on what can be done. So mostly virtual events, live streams, but we're trying to expand in video podcasting. So that's something. Yeah, so tayo sa 1050. Ayan, so we have a couple of equipment upgrades. Gotten myself this Go XLR na full sized. Usually it's not available in the Philippines. Teka, lakas ako boses konti. Ayan. I was supposed to release a video for how you can get the most value out of your money in terms of like online shopping, to kind of get items like this. Ano yung mga considerations? But may script na ako, but I haven't really, gotten to it yet. But anyway, etong Go XLR, usually it's not available in the Philippines. But right now, meron Shopee seller who offers this kind of the same amount as what you would get if you buy over Amazon, for example. Ayan, so some of the things it can do is like voice changer. Hindi siya katulad ng V8. It's really a different approach. May effects pala ako kanina. So if I push the effects, may onting effects siya, though tunable or may mga knobs siya. So for example, echo. Ayan. Or like reverb. Okay. And then we also have like pitch.
So, yeah. Hello. Hi. And then we have like gender. Hello. Hi, good evening. Anyway, ayun. So, wait. Let me check.
Yan. Hindi ko kasi makita kung nasa gitna na siya. So yun, you can vary your voice. May mga people who have kind of like a presets loaded into this. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuting-ting. But basically, marami din siyang parang banks on effect. So you can switch or toggle ng mabilisan. Hello, testing. Megaphone, hard tune. And, ayan, sa darating na halalan, bumoto sa taong nararapat. Anyway. Ayun, so may mga effects, and then we have like samples. So pwede siya mag-record anything that you want to route into this. Hello, test, mic test, hello. So if I press this now, hello, test, mic test, hello. Ayan. So, hello, test, mic test, hello. Ayan. So now you can clear that, etc. So yan, something to like improve in terms of broadcasting aspect. Definitely in terms of like live stream, I would only need the feeders to route my audio for the events. But this is a good addition for like scalability then of what we can do. Hindi lang siya like maganda. Although RGB siya, you can program the lights and stuff. It's really functional. I'd say for the physical faders. Si Aldrin. Hello, Aldrin. So we're live on Facebook, by the way, and YouTube. So anyway, though may physical fader siya, basically niroute ko lang naman yung audio there. So it's, para sa akin, sobrang useful nung audio routing component ng equipment na to. I have the smaller one, which is technically itong side lang na may mga faders. Parang hatiin mo lang siya. But yeah, it's a good combination for event production. Hindi lang yung mga yung may physically ini-input ka. Kasi ito virtual, basically pwede, parang siyang virtual inputs eh for the audio. May virtual input, may virtual outputs, programmable siya, parang gano'n. But definitely, it's a good combination to an audio interface or audio mixer where you can literally plug in microphones. Kasi this one, my mic is plugged in here right now. Isa lang yung ano niya, XLR input niya. May line input siya, may line output. Anyway, ayan, I've yet to test this, pero ito yung medyo na-excite ako. Kasi right now, the switching that I'm doing, itong switching na to, it's basically done via OBS. So, balik tayo sa ano. So yan, this is mainly done by OBS. Itong nakikita yung switching that's happening. But I'm excited to try itong video switcher na to. For the use cases na to, I'd say for live streams saka mga video podcast. Pero I recently discovered na in terms of functionality, if you guys know yung ATEM Mini, so it's also video switcher. Maraming expandable features, kumbaga. So yeah, and it's only being parang recorded yung final output lang if you like put it in OBS. Anyway, ayan, so ano bang sa live stream na to, we're really planning to like unbox this and just gonna share the reasons why. Bakit nga ba ako bumili ng Mac? And honestly, this is my first ever Mac OS. Like I've always used Windows. I've always used Windows kasi I feel like medyo may limitations si Mac. Although a lot of creatives, ito talaga Mac yung ginagamit. So anyway, I'll share my screen. So bakit ko nga ba gustong gamitin to? Ayan. So I'll share my screen. Ayan. So itong nakikita nyong yung mga camera, yung mga monitors na yan. So may 4 na monitors. Those are portable monitors. I just like command tape them dun sa wall na yon. And then we also have 2 other monitors on this side. Ayan. So what I want to happen is on each of those monitors may dedicated laptop that is joined into Zoom. And since there's this Zoom feature na nahihiwalay na yung speaker view tsaka dun sa speaker view or presentation, tama ba? Speaker view tsaka yung presentation view, parang ganon. So nahihiwalay na yon. So if you have dual monitors, so kaya I'm planning sana na i-dedicate bawat isang monitors na yon to a laptop. So ito yung gusto kong peg sana in terms of like production aspect. Just gonna share this. So yan, parang meron siyang 8 na laptops and then may 8 din na monitors. So he's able to capture the screen of the laptops. Pwede mo pakita. Ayan. So he's able to capture the screens of the laptop and route it towards like let's say a video mixer or your PC, diba? If you have a capture card, ganyan. I'm not gonna go into the capture cards, but yeah, it's a viable solution for event production na virtual. But mahal dahil ito pa nga lang, I purchased like 3 for the studio, which is very useful, pero sobrang mahal over time. Lalo na if I'm gonna purchase like 8 of these, diba? Anyway, so kaya ako kinuha itong MacBook. I've gone with Pro. Oh, by the way, I got this from Chrisgadgets. Ayan, tumawag si Mondi. Chrisgadgets on Facebook. It's they're much more affordable in terms of the gadgets being offered here. So anyway, the reason why I got this is because of a software or an application that is only available on Mac. And usually, like for example, OBS, I'd say is not as good in Mac OS compared to the Windows counterpart niya, no? In my experience, basically. Ayun. So the reason why is this one. So there's this software application called Zoom ISO. So Zoom ISO basically enables you, forward ko na, so siya yung president ng company na yun, enables you to capture individual video feeds or sources of people in your Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting, Zoom webinar, etc. Kung sino man naka-open ng camera. So kung nakikita nyo dito, you can select the number of outputs. For example, yan, nag-select siya ng number of outputs. And then, he can also select what output size or in resolution. So I think 5 people can still be captured at a 1080p resolution. If more than 5 people na, nagda-downscale na to like 720 and eventually 360 na lang. So anyway, so this software allows you to broadcast those video feeds through your internet connection. So yun yung tinatawag nila na NDI. So it's like an internet connectivity ano ba tawag? Parang platform where kahit na hindi naka-wired yung mga devices mo, they can communicate with one another. And that's useful, for example, kunyari, nasa location ka, yung PC mo, kailangan mo ma-capture yung screen, pero wala kang cables. So NDI is a viable solution for your other PC to capture your main PC para makita ng audience or like live stream mo what's happening dun sa main PC mo, whether you're gaming, you're presenting a PowerPoint, ganyan. So yun yung NDI. And it's only available on Mac. So pakita natin kung anong ginagawa niya. So creating outputs. Ayan. Ayan. So parang ang ginagawa na ina-isolate na yung ISO, no? Ina-isolate niya yung mga video feeds of each participant na naka-on yung screen o yung video camera into like separate windows. So yun na yun yung ibino-broadcast mo over the internet. So as long as you're connected with the same network, Wi-Fi man yan, although I suggest na like may Ethernet cable, like isa lang yung sinasaksakan to lower the latency. So sineseparate na yan, and then on OBS, you can capture each of those NDI sources. So parang ganon. So yun yung background on why I am doing this. So I'm excited for this kasi it will make my life easier in terms of like virtual event production. So this is an up and coming company, Liminal Entertainment Technologies. Sobrang I'd say parang nilower na yung cost of producing like for frames na 4 or more frames na event. Though I'd say if you can imagine like producing or mounting events na 4 yung nasa screen, I think that's, or 4 or 5 people, that's the limit para may main speaker, then 4 na nakapin on the side, parang ganon, or like parang panel or chat, diba? Chatting with the panelist. Ayan, parang Q&A. Pero more than that, maliit na yung mga screen. And isa sa mga gusto kong pakita kasi I'm trying to also explore on this software as I open this. So may other software parang in conjunction with the Zoom ISO that enables you to do something like this. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. So, pwede mo populate yan with a specific individual na naka-on yung camera. So, I think in terms of production value, ang ganda niyan for clients. Ayan. So, anyway, with that being said, ano na tayo? Let's try to unbox this. Ayan. Tabi ko muna si keyboard and si mouse. Tasan ko lang yung music. Siyempre, di nawawala yung mga ano ko dito. Kating ko, hindi sponsored. Pag mga events nakakabuhay ito. And swish breath spray. Pag may mga kliyente nandito. Okay. Ay, kailangan ko ba nito? Parang di naman kailangan. Let's peel. Parang di naka-focus. Ayan. Peel. Paano ba to? Again, this is my first time to get a Mac OS. So it's cheaper on Chrisgadgets. Not sure why. Pero parang gray market. But legit naman. And we can also check that over the serial number. Anyway. I got okay. Ayoko yung tapon yung box. Okay. Tinamaan yung mic ko. Mamaya na yan. Power brick. I think may battery naman. Oh, taas ng... Ayan, nag-turn on agad. Okay, so it's booting up. So I got a MacBook Pro na 256 gig base model, M1 2020. Okay. Escape to hear how you set up your Mac with voiceover. Hindi kita marinig. Okay. Matigas pala yung button nito. Accessibility. What is this? I have to know. Not now. Ano ba password namin? Okay. Di ko alam kung naka-focus ba or what. Anyway. Bang, teka lang, palitan natin yung scene. Paano papasok? Okay. Scene. Okay. Yan na lang. Ayan. Para naman di awkward na di ako nakikita. Anyway. So, let's try Migration Assistant. If you have information on another Mac or a Windows PC, transformation, time machine, nope. Not now. Apple ID. Ano ba Apple ID ko? Or, check ko lang yung ba't di ko na-receive? Ayun. 169. Terms and condition na wala naman nagbabasa. Computer account. So since this is a company laptop, password. Parang hindi siya nag-zoom. Teka nga lang, check ko yung camera na to. Parang ganun talaga. Okay. Hindi ko makuha. Parang ito yung nakafocus eh. Ayan. I think that's better. I'm not sure. So, grabe yung creak ng upuan ko. Need a better chair. So, habang naglo-load si iCloud, and ito yung kay Chrisgadgets. Yung pinakabago, kasi itong Macbook Pro na to, dalawa lang yung USB-C. So you need to buy an adapter. Yung pinakabago na MacBook Pro is mahal. Saan ba yun? Hindi makita. Ayan, ito. So MacBook Pro na 2021 is above 100k. So no budget for that. MacBook Pro na 2020 M1 din naman siya. So what I got is the 256 base model. I think on online stores that's about 70 or even at malls. So okay na. I mean, I would have bought sana yung Mac Mini. So 36 siya dito. But again, in terms of like being able to bring it anywhere, kailangan pa magdala ng extra monitor, keyboard, mouse. I mean, hassle instead of just having a laptop. Now, yung MacBook Air, technically didn't get that. Kasi mas inisip ko na rin yung performance. Ayan. Dito ang difference eh. Ayan. So, find my iPhone na. Ano ba ito? Express setup. Anong ginagawa nito? Okay. Ang tigas ng button niya. Ganito ba talaga yun? Enable Ask Siri. Okay. So I don't think I need to. Hey Siri. Ano kaya pag voice changer ako?
Hello. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder.
Of the FX. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Sumasagot din yung cellphone ko. Siri dictation. Oh, not now. Kasi magkakaroon ng accumulate ng space. Voice, recording. Ano to? What is this? Ang noob ko sa Mac. How about secures your data, encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. Okay. Hindi ko sure. Baka magkaroon ng extra step in accessing the files. But anyway, I think pwede ko naman alisin yan eventually. So, Touch ID na. Okay. Choose my look. I'd go with light. See without. Okay. Ano ba to? 100% sRGB ba tong True tone display na to? Wait lang . Okay. I'd like to use my current location. Okay. Yeah. So now the question is downloading the Zoom ISO. Connect to internet. Yes, connected na. Grabe, ang ganda pala talaga ng screen nito. I go with the... okay, may ganito pala. I'll fill it out. Okay. Ano nilagay ko? Yahoo. I guess I need to connect. So anyway, I'll test this out again with this kind of configuration para ma-capture ko individually. So technically, I would only need this laptop, possibly with another screen, secondary screen. But yeah, I'm gonna be able to capture at least 3, I think, with this laptop, and maximum na 1080 maximum 5 na 1080 and about 8 other 8 maximum if ever um, I would need it. Ayan. Though this software is really based on the performance na kaya or hardware performance. So that's also the reason why I've gone with the MacBook Pro instead of the MacBook Air. Kasi yung price range nito parang nasa MacBook Air is about 7 core nga lang ba. Ayan. Ito parang gig lang yung lamang. Pero 8 core din siya for MacBook Air. Ayun. And I think that's it for now. I have a meeting in a while. Again, just a random live stream. Again, a way for me to just be able to create content. You know, a lot of people wait na maging okay lahat before creating their content. So this is kind of like my own workaround. I'm excited to explore as I grow Cloud Studio for people who haven't liked or followed Cloud Studio. Please do so on our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram at the moment. Hopefully we would also be able to create content na on YouTube if I have the time. Ayun. Alright, and I guess that's it. My name is Brian. Thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.